Hello everyone, I'm Igor, and today I will tell you how you can use new Webflow Custom Element, this one, to have a select field in your form, which will have options rendered from your CMS collection. So as you probably already know, when you put the select in your form, you need to kind of put all of the choices here, and you have no opportunity to kind of like get those choices from your collection items from your CMS. So today I will tell you the way how you can actually do it. So I have a CMS of like my services. Let's say I'm an agency and I provide like design, development, SEO, writing, and I kind of like add more and more services all the time, and I want people to set the contact form where they could kind of like mention what service they're interested in, and so I don't want to update my form every time when I add the new service, and I want them to be kind of dynamically pulled in from my CMS collection. So we can now use custom element to build all of that in Webflow natively. So we don't need to have any like JavaScript or something like that. So everything will be very, very easy to do. So first of all, I put this custom element inside of here, and I change the setting. Like the tag will be not div, but it will be select. So we have the select tag here. Also, I want to make this, and the next one, I will put the collection list right inside of this select. It will actually disappear, kind of like it will not be seen, but it's kind of like inside, of course. When we put something inside of our select, actually the look of this, like it will be very like unstyled, so we need to add styles. So I will make it like select input, and I already pre-designed it actually, so it will be it will look like here. We can change like the borders. Let's say we make it, I don't know, like 15 or something, so it will, well, you can play with it. It will look more like usual select field which you use in Webflow. Okay, so it looks good, and now in this we have a collection list inside, and the collection item should contain the one more custom element. I need to define the source, so it will be services, and I need to put inside of collection item, I put one more custom element, and now it's going to be, the tag for that is going to be option. And the text is going to be taken from the name of the CMS item. And for attributes, you need to specify the value. Value will be, let's say this time, I will be sending the Slack. I can also bring any value for my options from CMS. Okay, seems to be working. Now let's publish it. And yeah, here it goes. So I have my CMS data inside of my select, exactly this one. So we can also, let's say, change the order of those elements. Let's say we go to sort order and we put it like in alphabetical order. So I publish it again, and right now we have like writing on the top, but now it will be like design, of course. It's because it comes first, right? I can add one more service. Let's say eventually I thought I want to also add consulting to my services. And I have consulting. Okay, maybe I already actually had this one. So maybe not consulting, design service, I don't know, like blog posting. I don't know what would it mean, but it will be blog posting. And I publish it. And I will be having it here as my first choice. Next, what we also can do for this select is we can also add one more option, which will not be coming from CMS, but it will be like the first default option without actually any value. So it will be, because it will be like a placeholder here. So to do so, inside of select, we add one more custom element. We put it above the collection list wrapper, so that will be the first choice. We also make it like option. And we specify the text to be like choose one, and we don't put any value inside of that. So even if you kind of like have it as a chosen value for its chosen option for your input, you will not submit any value. You will not actually submit any data, and this is exactly what placeholder is actually. So we publish it. And it looks like this. So we have it as a first option, and then we choose anything. So it behaves exactly like your like select from the native Webflow form. What you can also do here for this select, you can also specify one more attribute, making it like required. So it will be required, and put it like as a true. And your select input will also have the attribute of being like required, and you will not be able to send any data without choosing value for this. So I will go to HTML. You will see I have required here inside. One interesting thing about this is my actual HTML, which I have on my website, it shows just like I have a select, I have my first option, and then I have a list of other options which I got from my CMS. And this is actually surprising, because I don't see the HTML element for the collection list wrapper, for collection list, for collection item. I don't see anything for empty state, although we actually kind of like have it here in the flow. So these things, they're just kind of like disappearing. This is kind of like surprising behavior, but it works. I hope that it's a feature, not the bug. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and you will be able to make the same use case like for your websites, for your projects. Yeah, let me know what you think, and thanks for watching. Bye.